So you can open up Read and Write. So you should see over here the puzzle piece and click that. If it's not here, you might want to click this thing and find it. Otherwise, you might want to install it. So this will come up. And you can take a look at the settings. This adjusts the speed. So you can change the speed if you want. They recommend under 50. You can change the voice if you want. Continuous reading means if I click this, it's going to read the entire thing. You can pause it, but it will keep reading. It's not recommended for this document because you can't play it in the middle of a scene or the middle of an act. It only works at the beginning of Act 1 and beginning of Act 2. So instead, you want to keep it unclicked. You have a translator here. So if there's a word you want to translate, you can pick the language. There's many, many languages here that you can choose from. So when you go to read the document, you highlight whatever you want to read, and then it'll play.
ACT 2, Scene 1, still in the police station.
Now if I press pause, it will pause where it left off, but you can't use any of the other items up here. If I press stop, I need to remember where I stopped. But with this, I can use the dictionary, and I can play the word
Officer.
I can play the definition here if I want to. I also have a picture dictionary, so I can click on that, and it gives you a picture. There's also a highlighter, so you can choose a part of the document and highlight it. This is if you're writing an essay or you need some quotes. You can use this on lots of other documents. You can use different colors, and you can create a page with the highlights. So it shows up here. If you want to get rid of a highlight, you just highlight it again and press the sweep button. Then there's also the translator. So highlight whatever you need translated, and it will translate for you. So those are the main functions.